Hello everyone, how are you, the GeeksLeague? Today I can want to introduce to you my new interface audio for especially my micro. This is a new interface audio from Motu M2 Brown. Let's go to unboxing the GeeksLeague. Let's go. That's it, the GeeksLeague, and now after I installed my Motu M2 on my computer that you just hear, don't forget to download on the official website Motu the tools and other apps like that. For me it's the Motu M series installer personally, and you can see that here my audio apps just here Motu M series. After you select that, you can see you can all configure. For an example, you can configure the sample rate hertz, you can have a lot list here, and the buffer size it samples. Personally I use 2048 hertz, and that's it. Sync with that sample rate to the devices, and use lowest latencies of this. Personally I don't really want to use that option. Okay, and you can actually I use my micro, and this micro is connected on the Motu M2, and I really love the quality of the audio. But that's it, the GeeksLeague, and thank you for watching this video, and looking forward to seeing you in the future videos. And don't forget, like it, share it, and let's go. Goodbye, the GeeksLeague. Cheers.